Is quantum teleportation really possible for a human being? What if I told you that the concept of teleportation isn't just a staple of science fiction, but a real phenomenon in the world of quantum physics? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a future where we could beam ourselves from one place to another in the blink of an eye. But is this dream grounded in reality, or just a fantasy? To answer this, we first need to understand what quantum teleportation truly means. It's not about physically moving an object from point A to point B. Instead, it's a process that involves the transfer of quantum information. This concept is so mind-bending that it challenges our fundamental notions of space and time. Imagine having your entire atomic structure scanned, transmitted as data, and then reassembled perfectly elsewhere. Crazy, right? Now, let's explore how this works. Scientists have successfully demonstrated quantum teleportation with particles like photons and atoms. They achieved astonishing feats by entangling particles and using their unique quantum properties. When we say that two particles are entangled, we mean that they become linked in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, regardless of the distance separating them. This spooky action at a distance, as Einstein called it, is the key to teleportation. But there's a catch. For matter to be teleported, it would require an equivalent transmission of an immense amount of information. For just a single human being, this data would be astronomical, far beyond our current capabilities. In fact, estimates suggest that transmitting the complete state of a human being would require more information than we could ever feasibly send. Now, let's look at the ethical implications. If quantum teleportation were possible, we'd face countless questions. Would this technology be safe? What does it mean for identity, for consciousness? If you are copied and sent to another place, is the copy still you, or does you cease to exist in the original location? As we dive deeper into the discussion, we realize there's also a perilous side to this concept. The potential for misuse looms large. Imagine a world where teleportation technology falls into the wrong hands. It could redefine warfare, crime, and personal security in unimaginable ways. What about the laws of physics? Can they be bent or rewritten by technology like this? Quantum teleportation still adheres to the rules of the universe, but its implications could stretch our scientific boundaries. Some theorists propose that it might even bridge gaps in our understanding of black holes, time travel, and quantum mechanics. Now, let's zoom into the current research. Scientists across the globe are making strides in this field. They're not just working with single particles, but are pioneering projects aimed at scaling up to larger systems, potentially paving the way for experimental technologies that could one day resemble teleportation. If you think this is mere fantasy, you'd be surprised how close some researchers are coming to actual experimentation about this idea. So here's a thought to chew on. What if we never achieve human teleportation? Yet the very pursuit of such groundbreaking technology could lead us to other phenomenal discoveries within quantum mechanics. It's a thrilling idea that even if we never teleport, the journey could push the frontiers of scientific knowledge further than we ever imagined. If stories like this intrigue you and spark your curiosity about the universe, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have endless secrets and revelations waiting for you in our upcoming videos. In conclusion, while quantum teleportation remains firmly in the realm of theoretical physics, its implications challenge our view of reality. The notion of sending human beings across vast distances in an instant isn't just science fiction. It's a tantalizing hint at what the future might hold. Could we one day transcend the limits of physical reality? Only time will tell. Stay curious and keep exploring the uncharted mysteries of the cosmos.